what's going on, wealth builders? You know, I'm always looking for a great investment opportunity. And recently I stumbled across one by accident. I decided to stop using Coinbase to look at all the cryptocurrencies that are out there. And I started looking at Live Coin Watch, which I will be using in this video. And I stumbled across a cryptocurrency, and I'm like, man, I must do a video because in my opinion, this is definitely a cryptocurrency to watch. Hey, welcome to Points Blank Finance, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about investing. We talk about stocks, we talk about crypto, but more importantly, we talk about investing on a budget. You don't have a lot of money to invest, you're at the right channel, baby, because I'm gonna show you how to do it with as little as sometimes $5, $10, $25. And with all that being said, if you haven't done so, if this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel, baby. Get a video a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends. Share it with people you know. Share it on your social media platforms. You never know who can learn from information like this. Also, make sure you do me a favor. Check out my various links down in the description below where you can earn free Bitcoin. You can earn free stocks. Also, make sure you check out my other two channels, Points Blank Travel, where we talk about credit cards, points, miles, personal finance, and how to travel around the world or around the country for little or no money out of your pocket, and the Points Blank Experience, the newest channel in the Points Blank network. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. All right, here we are in Live Coin Watch, as you can see. And I could tell you, man, I am going to be going over some stuff here. And I love this program, man. I want to thank my main man, Bionic Bob Crypto, a.k.a. 𝗕𝗜𝗘𝗘. I was watching one of his videos, man, and he was using this. And I was like, dude, this is the bomb. I haven't even told him that yet, but I'm thinking to myself, dude, this is the bomb. Anyway, the cryptocurrency that I'm going to be focusing on today is Waves, WAVES. And I'm going to scroll now. It's not at the top of the list. You're not going to see it up here with the Bitcoins and the Ethereums. It is 30. Let me keep going down here. Want to make sure I give y'all the right number. It is number 39 when it comes to market capitalization. And that is basically how much the cryptocurrency is worth. You take the price of the crypto, which is currently trading at $30.33. You multiply that, let me go in here, times the circulating supply, which is 1 million, and it will give you a market capitalization of $3.033 billion. But what I like, I don't know if y'all noticed now, I question, am I purchasing at the wrong time? Because everything's green, but I don't think so, man. I'm looking here, and this in the last 24 hours is up 16.58%. I actually purchased some Waves yesterday or day before. In the last 7 days, it's up 38.5% in the last week. In the last 30 days, last month, it's up 230.3%. The last 90 days, 77.64%. In the last year, 223.4%. And again, this channel is all about investing on a budget. Before I go any further and make any crypto purchases, let me start by saying this is an educational and informational purposes video only. I am not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research before you invest one single dollar of your money. But what I want to do right now is I'm going to jump in here and I'm going to purchase some Waves. Again, I'm investing on a budget, but I want to see what I can do about at least getting one coin or one token. Token coin, they're interactive, they're interchangeable, it's the same thing. But I really want to try to at least get one because I'm going to watch this crypto very closely, and I would highly suggest you do too. Again, suggestion, not a recommendation. It's only my opinion, ladies and gentlemen. All right, here we are in my actual crypto.com account. I looked all over the place. I looked in Coinbase Pro. I looked in Voyager. I looked in Coinbase, and I couldn't find Waves, but I was able to find it on crypto.com. So what I'm going to do right now, and I want, as you can see, I have $950.12 in my crypto.com account. Waves, I'm going to pull it up right here. I already have 0.47 Waves, a little less than a half of a token or a half of a coin, $14.67. I was just playing around. It's up 16.29% today. I normally wouldn't make a purchase when crypto is this high, but I am really ready to make a move with this. And after looking at it, I mean, even if let me go over to my fiat wallet. Now, one thing that is interesting about crypto.com is I can't put a dollar amount in here. So I'm going to buy one wave, and it's $31.22. I have $56.84 to actually trade with. And once I click buy one wave, I'm going to make the purchase. I'm going to go ahead and click that. It's going to verify $31.29. I'm going to click confirm, Face ID, and I should have 1.47 wave when this is over. I just earned 5 diamonds. That's a whole nother video because I actually am part of the mission program. Anybody can be part of that with crypto.com. So I earned 5 diamonds. I'm going to go ahead, and there it is, 1.47 waves. My account value now is $45.45. I'm talking about 45.45, and it's still up 16.29%. Man, I love it. I love it. It is so easy, and people make this a lot more complicated than what it is. I wanted to bring me back on the screen. There it is, man. This is a crypto to watch. And again, I am going to go back, and I want to revisit something real quick and just share my screen real quick one more time and just show you, man, $223. I mean, 223.6% is up in the last year. The last 30 days, 232.3. Now, this is past performances. It does not measure future performances. But again, man, I'm excited about that. And if you notice, I'm invested on a budget. But even if I wasn't invested on a budget, I would slowly add to my positions with this cryptocurrency because I'm not that familiar with it. Again, I'm not telling you to go purchase it. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational and informational purposes only, but it is a crypto, in my opinion, that I think people should watch. With all that being said, tell me, have you heard of waves? Do you currently have any wave coins or tokens? Are you invested in it? Is this something you may think about? I'd love to hear about it. Please post it in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Give the video a thumbs up. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. And with all that being said, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you will be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, dropping more fire, dropping more knowledge. And until then, peace, baby.